Good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about the resistive transducer. So resistive transducers are those in which the resistance change due to a change in some physical phenomenon. The change in the value of the resistance with a change in the length of the conductor can be used for the measurement of the displacement. So the strain gauge work on the principle that the resistance of the conductor or semiconductor changes when strained. So this can be used for the measurement of displacement, force and pressure. The resistivity of the material changes with change in temperature, which can be used in the measurement of temperature. So one of the example for the resistive transducer is potentiometer. So now let us discuss about the potentiometer. A resistive potentiometer consists of a resistance element provided with a sliding contact called wiper. The motion of the sliding contact uh, may be a translatory or rotational. Somehow the combination of both, which means the resistive elements in the form of a helix, and they are called as heliptons, as we can show in the figure C. Translatory resistive elements, which is shown in the figure A, are linear devices. Rotational resistive devices are circular, which is shown in figure B, and can be used for the measurement of angular displacement, angular displacement, angular displacement. Helical resistive element are multi-turn rotational device which can be used for the measurement of either translatory or rotational motion. A potentiometer is a passive transducer since it requires an external power source for its operation. Now let us discuss about the advantages of potentiometer. So the potentiometers, they are inexpensive, they are available with low cost, they are very simple to operate and are very useful in the application where the requirements are not particularly severe. They are useful in the measurement of large amplitude displacement, and their electrical efficiency is very high, and they can provide sufficient output to allow controlled operations. So, as every system has an advantages, it also has disadvantages. So the disadvantages of potentiometer is while using the linear potentiometer, a large force is required to move the sliding contact. The sliding contact can wear out, become misaligned, or they can generate noise. So another type of resistive transducer is resistance pressure transducer. So measurement in resistive type transducer is based on the fact that a change in pressure results in the resistance change in the sensing element. Resistance pressure transducer are of two types. They are first one is the electromechanical resistance transducer, in which a change of pressure, stress, position, displacement, or other mechanical vibrations is applied to a variable resistance. The other resistance transducer is the strain gauges, where the stress are directly on the resistance. It is very commonly used for the stress displacement measurement in instrumentation. In general case of pressure measurement, the sensitive resistance element may take out forms depending on the mechanical arrangement on which the pressure is gauged on at. So these are the figures of a resistance pressure transducer and a sensitive diaphragm moves in resistance contact. So the both figure shows two ways by which the pressure act to influence a sensitive resistance element. uh, that is by which pressure varies to the resistance of the element. They are of two types. They are below type and diaphragm type. In each of the cases, the element moved by the pressure change is made to cause a change in resistance. This resistance change can be made part of a bridge circuit and taken as either AC or DC output to determine the pressure indication. So that's all about the resistive transducer. So thank you.